Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to PowerPoint. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of Donald on PowerPoint, you should just go settings. In the first, you can go to the window of apps and you will enter to apps. As you see, you can click on PowerPoint here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again, so please don't forget to support us.